So first we're going to take my LA Girl Pro Primer Stick in white. And we're just going to use this as a base for the shimmery shadows to stick to. It also makes them pop and also makes them more vibrant. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking my ilookbook by Shany Cosmetics. It's such a cool palette, it looks just like an iPad. So I'm first going to take this beautiful shimmery green color right here. And we're just going to apply that on the inner corner of the eyelid with my finger. And then taking the shimmery blue right next to the green. What do you know, I'm also going to put that right next to the green on my eyelid as well. Okay, yay, it's looking tip-top shape. So now with my Stargazer UV eyeliner in yellow, I'm just going to start creating a wing. And then with my Jordana 24-hour made to last pencil in Aqualast, we're just going to take that and put it all along the lower lash line and waterline. And then going back into my ilookbook, I'm going to take the sponge applicator and take this nice bright yellow shimmer. And we're just going to place that along the lower lash line in the corner just to give it a nice blended effect. Lastly, taking my Essence False Lashes Mascara, Extreme Volume and Curl, we're just going to finish off the look. So yeah guys, that is my Parrot Oasis eye look today. I hope you like it. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!